Meaning of dale. Dale. Dale.
Dale. Dale. Dale is a noun that typically refers to a valley, often with a small river or stream running through it. The word originated from Old English and can also be used as a first name or surname. In literature, dale is commonly used in poetry or prose to create a sense of tranquility and natural beauty. The term has also been adopted by businesses and organizations as part of their name or branding to evoke a sense of natural or rural authenticity. In summary, dale generally refers to a picturesque and peaceful valley.